Right now I am working as the regional lead for this particular youth employment program, wherein my responsibilities are getting in touch with the partners related to universities, colleges, NGOs or the government bodies, religious trusts, make sure that the people are getting aligned to this training, and once the training is over, you are getting the placement opportunities. So this is the basic introduction that I have with me right now. So as I told you that I am from Maharashtra and I have been given this particular region due to Uttarakhand. So why do you think it has happened? मैं तो आ रहता हूँ mostly, and although we have 3 offices in UP, Lucknow, then we have Varanasi, and we have Noida, and we have around 45,000 क्या बोलते हैं employee base in UP only. So Noida we have 40,000 plus, Lucknow we have 3,000 plus, and Varanasi we have 800. So my question is why I am here, although I am from as ma'am said, like it took a lot of time for us to get in touch. Actually I was on leave, right? So it takes me 24 hours to reach. So at least I will need 2 weeks of holidays or leave, so that I can say yes, I got leaves. Why? The question is why. So maybe that answer will put you in the zone wherein you will understand why this training is there or why this orientation is planned.
Sir, because youth has no more experiences in this field. Like they have experience in like theory-based stuff, but they don't have the experience like practical ways or something like that, in the development field and all.
Thank you. What else? What half an hour?
Sir, Shubh Sharma.
So maybe the youth is not participating in such kind of activities.
No, my question is very simple. मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ, मैं यूपी में क्या करूँ?
Because youth is not
Advantage.
focused.
youth development.
भाई अगर मैं ये बोलता हूँ ना यूपी का यूथ दैट वाज नॉट डेडिकेटेड, तो यहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा IAS IPS ऑफिसर्स आते ही नहीं.
Sir, for software development.
In the field of IT.
So maybe you have a good connection and you have already a good experience. So that's why they choose.
They are not that much practical oriented.
TCS. अच्छा क्या जानते हो? TCS
Service based industry, service based company.
सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी है, ओके. IT कंपनी है. और
सेकंड नंबर की आईटी कंपनी.
सेकंड नंबर की
टाटा ग्रुप
इन टर्म्स ऑफ
मार्केट के
वर्ल्ड में कि इंडिया में?
सर वर्ल्ड आई एम.
हाँ वर्ल्ड में ठीक है, इंडिया में तुम्हें नंबर 1 पे चल रहा है. वर्ल्ड में मुझे तो लगा 3-4 नंबर पे, सेकंड नंबर पे. ग्रेट. आई थॉट फर्स्ट वुड बी गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट,
फर्स्ट इज
एक्सेंचर. आई नीड टू अपडेट माय नॉलेज फर्स्ट.
Service.
हाँ सर्विस बेस्ड है, करेक्ट. और हाँ टाटा ग्रुप की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है, सबसे छोटी भी है, मतलब सबसे यंग है बट सबसे बड़ी है, सबसे टैलेंटेड कंपनी है. सो आई विल गिव यू अ ब्रीफ अबाउट टाटा फर्स्ट. 1868 की बात है. मैं तो नहीं था ये दुनिया में, आप में से हुए था. मेरा जन्म हुआ होगा, बहुत पुराना जन्म. 1868 की बात है, जब जमशेदजी टाटा ने सोचा कि इंडिया को इंडस्ट्रियलाइज किया जाए, इंडस्ट्री लाया जाए. Since then, Tata Group started with a textile mill. Right? Since then till now, it has been 154 years that the Tatas are present in the country. Correct 100 years after, that is in 1968, Sir F.C. Kohli and G.R.D. Tata started India's first IT company, that is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Again, if you talk about Tata Consultancy Services, they have completed more than 50 years in India. Right now, it is the only company in Indian market which is having $100 billion market capitalization. Now, what is $100 billion, right? In terms of crores, just calculate. So that much amount of property that the TCS is having in India. We are a family of more than 6 lakh associates, out of which you would be very happy to know, girls, 2.5 lakhs or more girls are there right now presently. 40 to 42% is the number that we have with terms of female associates. Again, if you go to Oman, Riyadh specifically, we have one office there wherein we have 3,000 associates, and all the as you know, in Muslim countries there are a lot of restrictions on women, right? So in that particular office we have 3,000 associates and all are female. So the complete office is handled by. So TCS is known for the respect that we have for the communities, right? You must have seen that whatever happens in the world, you will never find a single person getting out from the TCS. तो इसीलिए इसको सेमी गवर्नमेंट बोला जाता है. बहुत सारे लोग इसको नेगेटिव वे में भी लेते हैं, राइट? देन वी ऑल्सो कंप्लेन दैट TCS डजंट गिव हाइक. पूरा का पूरा रूमर है. देयर इज अ हाइक फॉर द डिजर्विंग वंस. अभी क्या होता है, मुझे पता है कि भाई मेरे को कोई निकालेगा नहीं, सो ऑटोमेटिकली मैं कंफर्ट जोन में चला जाता हूँ. आई डोंट पुट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स, राइट? आई आस्क यू अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन दैट बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन मेरा तो अभी भी चल रहा है. बीच में कॉल आता है, हेलो तुमने वो डॉक्यूमेंट भरा था. There are a lot of things with TCS, but still, if you go into TCS, you will enjoy the environment. Now my question is, why the hands were not raised? बिंदास बोलो, बिंदास, टेंशन मत लो, कोई भी आंसर होगा.
So main reason is this. I have applied around for 10 to 15 companies till now, and most of them are not requiring for BCA graduates. They are only asking for BE, BTech or MCA.
See, right now you are not. For a BCA, I need to have tech support. You are neither non-technical, you are not full technical, because full technical are MCAs, right? And even MCAs has changed the pattern from 3 years to 2 years,
Yes, sir.
right? And in TCS at least we give the same package to the engineers and MCA people, right? So in TCS you have an opportunity to work with the tech support projects, technical support, right? So that is neither completely a development, but if you perform good, you are having full opportunity to go into the development. That is for sure. What was that one thing? क्या doubt है दिमाग में? बस वो बोलना है आपको.
So tech stack was mainly. So because as I have been already applied for the 15 to 20 companies, they ask something, always something ask something new. Because I was not very prepared for that.
करेक्ट, अपडेटेड ही पूछेंगे ना. जो नया है वही पूछेंगे, पुराना तो कोई पूछेगा ही नहीं. और अपना सिलेबस बहुत 20-25 साल प्रीवियस ही चलता है, राइट?
जी.
हाँ. और कोई दिमाग में जो भी डाउट्स होंगे, क्या ऐसा चीज था जिसकी वजह से आपने हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया? जो भी होगा प्लीज बोल दो. दिस इज द करेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई कोडिंग में परफेक्ट ना होना, सिर्फ कोडिंग के भरोसे आपको जॉब लगेगा?
नॉलेज.
नहीं, not at all. These modules. Then E for English, spoken and written. Many of you said communication is a problem, English is a problem. Understand one thing. I am speaking 90%. Today I am speaking 90% of English. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Will you be able to respond to me? Hello, how are you? Will you be able to answer me? Will you be able to respond? That's it. भाई मुझे वहाँ पे स्पीच देने जाना है क्या कंपनी में आके? डेफिनेटली नॉट. हाँ, अगर आप में वो काबिलियत है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की, यू विल बिकम अ लीडर डेफिनेटली. बट टू गेट इनटू अ कंपनी एज अ फ्रेशर, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट द एक्सटर्नल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स और फ्लुएंसी और एक्सेंट, राइट? इट्स ऑल अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेसिक ऑफ इंग्लिश. आई एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस, यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग, खत्म. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना, हेलो हाउ आर यू सर, माय नेम इज ऋषिकेश, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना किसी के साथ? खत्म. सो पहले तो ये सोचना बंद कर दो कि मेरा इंग्लिश खराब है. देयर मे बी, सी रिटन टेस्ट में हो सकता है लोचा, तो उसके लिए है ना ट्रेनिंग. बट आई डोंट सी एनी प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज BCA में सारा का सारा इंग्लिश में ही था ना. करेक्ट ना? श्योर. एंड फाइनली कंप्यूटर स्किल्स. अगेन दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट because someone who is master in Excel